Hi everyone, my name is Megan. Excuse the background. I am in my daughter's room because it happens to be the quietest room in the house right now. The type of field placement that I am in is a street outreach program. So basically we are a street outreach team of 2 people who go out in the entire county of Bucks and help assist those who are actually living on the street, are homeless, couch surfing, or about to be homeless, or transient youth or youth who are victims of trafficking. So we provide supplies, survival supplies to those people, resources to those people, and we pretty much will complete what's called a homeless management information survey, which we enter into a database that kind of provides different resources and puts them on a by name list so that they can potentially get into our family shelter in the county if they want to, so that they could get into another program such as a rapid rehousing program. One thing that I really enjoy about my field experience thus far, or overall, is just the amount of welcoming that I have gotten from my task supervisor. He's just been great and amazing. He's a great mentor. I really enjoy actually being able to kind of make my own schedule and sort of be free out on the street in the community, and just meeting people who are actually out on the street. Of course, that's never a happy situation, but it's just been really cool to meet such different people from all over the place and really connect with those different type of networks. I have worked residential for the past 10 years, so being able to be out in the community and about is a blessing all in itself. A challenge that I have faced is sort of I think in the beginning of field, I had gotten really sick, so I was behind on hours and I really had to hustle. So just kind of like that actual work, school, and life balance for me. And one thing that I've learned about myself is that I actually know a lot more than I give myself credit for, and I actually tend to panic in some situations when I really need to just remind myself to stay calm and think it through and process the situation. And I have all the tools that I need. I just need to stop and slow down to speed up, per se. So I have learned a lot. I was able to network and connect with some really great teams of people, and I look forward to what the second part has to bring. So see you guys around the class.